Namaskar, welcome to Yash Academy. Today in this video I am going to discuss the balancing of chemical equation. The balancing of chemical equation is a fundamental skill for class 10th chemistry. Actually, this balancing of chemical equation is based on the law of conservation of mass. Conservation of mass. So this law of conservation of mass states that the mass neither created nor destroyed. That means the total number of atoms of each element, the total number of atoms of each element must be equal on the both the sides of reactants and products. So whatever the number of atoms present in a given chemical reaction, they should be balanced or they must be balanced. The number of atoms of reactants equal to the number of atoms of products. Now before balancing, you should know two more numbers. One is called subscripts and second is a coefficient. So before balancing, you must understand the actual meaning of the two numbers. One is subscript and second is a coefficient or coefficients. Subscripts, for example, you take CO2. The 2 is nothing but subscripts and is always written at the bottom of the element. So this is the small number. It tells the number of atoms of oxygen. 2 oxygen atoms are present in one molecule of CO2, that is carbon dioxide. And coefficient, so you have two places. Suppose this is the CO2 and 2 moles of CO2 are involved in any chemical reaction. So you have to place or put the coefficient in front of a formula. So these two numbers are very important as far as the balancing of chemical equation is considered. For example, you take a chemical reaction between NaOH, that is the sodium hydroxide, and HCl. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base, HCl is a strong acid. So the products form NaCl plus H2. NaCl is nothing but salt. Now you have to balance this chemical reaction. So while balancing any chemical reaction, you have to balance step by step. First, count the number of atoms from the reactant side as well as the product side. Here Na1, Na is equal to 1. Here Na is equal to 1. Now you have to consider one oxygen atom. Oxygen 1, hydrogen 1 plus 1 2 and Cl is equal to 1. Here Cl1, hydrogen 2 and oxygen 1. Na1, O1, H2, Cl. So this is a balanced chemical equation. There is no need to balance or use the coefficient to balance the chemical equation. So this equation is already balanced It is nothing but a neutralization reaction in which strong acid is neutralized by a strong base NaOH to form salt NaCl and water molecule. This is a simple reaction. There is no need to balance any atom from product as well as reactant side. Next reaction, for example, you take reaction between iron and steam. Steam chemical formula H2. This is iron. Product Fe3O4 H2. So this is the chemical reaction. Reaction of iron with steam. So you have to balance this reaction. First step is count the number of atoms from both the sides. Fe 1, hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. Fe is equal to 3, oxygen is equal to 4, and hydrogen is equal to 2. Okay, so first of all you balance the maximum number, that is the 4. Oxygen 4 to the product side. So you write here 4. 4 oxygen atoms means it becomes 4 H2O, means 8 hydrogen atoms. Okay. You write 4 H2O, 8 hydrogen atoms. Now 4 oxygen atoms, here 4 oxygen atoms, 8 hydrogen atoms, 8 hydrogen atoms, 8 hydrogen atoms. Now balance the iron. Here Fe3, here 1, so you write here 3. So this is the balanced chemical reaction. So in this way we can balance the number of chemical equations. For example, you take Na2CO3 plus HCl. It gives NaCl H2O plus CO2. This is chemical equation. You have to balance this chemical equation. Now count the number of, this is the reactant side and this is the product side. Na2CO3, this is carbon 1 and oxygen 3. Carbon 1, oxygen 3, H1, Cl1. Here Na1, carbon 1, then oxygen 2 plus 1, 3, hydrogen 2, Cl1. So here C, carbon 1, oxygen 3, hydrogen here to the product to the reactant side 1 and to the product side there are 2. So first of all you balance the hydrogen. So twice of HCl, 2 hydrogen, 2 Cl atoms, here 2 Cl atoms. Okay, 2 Na, Na2. Now Na2, carbon 1, oxygen 3, hydrogen 2, Cl2. So this is the balanced chemical equation. In this way we can balance any given chemical equation. Thanks.